Hi guys, welcome to my channel. First of all, I will introduce you to little Timmy. I call her little Timmy because it's my wig head, and of course I gotta give it a name, which is my name. This is Timmy, and I got Timmy from Amazon, and Timmy measures 21 inches across the circumference. And something I truly really like about Timmy is the fact that Timmy is very steady. I could put Timmy on the table and it's gonna stay still. Like, it's not gonna be like so flimsy and it's just gonna fall off. I could put my wig hair on and Timmy's just not gonna fall off after I put on my wig head. If you know what I'm talking about, you know, if you had to compare the styrofoam heads to this, once you put your hair in here on top of this head, it just falls off, and I don't like that, because can you imagine after you straighten your hair for a good 30-40 minutes and then you put your nice wig hair on this head and it falls off, and then the whole straightened hair looks like garbage. You don't want that. So this, I like the fact that it's very steady. The styrofoam head, like when you're sewing in, like the needle will go through like this one, and like it's gonna make a mess into your wig, so I don't really like that. And just the sound that styrofoam has, it bugs me each time I do it, but I'll show it to you guys. Oh, that sound bugs me. Like, I cannot stand that sound. I cannot stand that sound. It seems like someone is like unwinding something on my head, like inside my head, so I don't like that sound. So that's why I decided to go for something like that. Another thing I really like about little Timmy is the fact that little Timmy actually has a hairline, and this is especially good for people who are into making wigs. So little Timmy's got a hairline just around there. I'll zoom it closer so you guys could truly see. She's got an hairline just around her head, which is perfect for those who want to make their own wigs, so you can kind of have something to guide you and to do that. Another thing I really like about Timmy is the fact that Timmy is also looks human. She has the eyebrows, she has the lips. I really like that. And Timmy is made out of a material called PVC, and that basically means polyvinyl chloride. And polyvinyl chlorides are known to be very, very durable plastic materials, and they can be heat resistant. One thing I also like about Timmy is the fact that you can also use your T-pins on Timmy. So I'll show you an example of what I'm referring to. So I can just put my thing here, and that's it. I also like the fact that when I want to see how my wigs look after I had made them, and I want to see what areas I need to make changes with, I just put Timmy on my wig stand, and I put my hair that I had just recently made on Timmy, and then I try to see, okay, is there any way I need to add extra hair on, because I like my hair looking really full. So I look at that, so Timmy kind of guides me as to where I need to put more additional extensions to. Another thing I like about Timmy is the fact that Timmy can be washable. So it's not gonna stink, it's not gonna smell. I know that those people will have cork head mannequin, many of them always complain that once it's wet, it starts to smell really, really bad, and like it starts to grow molds and stuff. So if you really want to wash your mannequin head after each use, or if you have a stain on it because you had dyed something on it, like, you know that you're not going to have that smelly smell to it. So that's what I like. This is what the bottom looks like of Timmy. I also find that Timmy fits so nicely with my wig stand, and I never bought Timmy with my wig stand, so surprising. Before I bought it, I was kind of scared that Timmy would not fit my wig stand, but it does, and it never falls off. It never falls off. So that's one reason why I like Timmy. Timmy is amazing. Okay, based on what was said on the product description on Amazon, it said you could also wear makeup on Timmy. So it's like you can use it for versatile use, especially people who want to go into makeup doing and they're trying to find a face to use. You can always use a mannequin head like this, which is excellent. one thing I don't know if you can really do is Timmy already looks beautiful. She looks beautiful. What else do you want to make? What else do you really want to add to this? Because like they already gave her a nice eyeliner. They already gave her a nice eyeliner. She has a very nude lip already. So I don't know what else they want to give Timmy. I really don't know what else they want to, what kind of makeup they want to give to her. But other than that, it's very good. And one of the things I would say is the disadvantage of Timmy is the fact that when you actually put your T-pins on, is you actually have to push it in really hard, and I really hard to get the pins in. Another thing I also don't like about it is the fact that it's the fact that it also leaves a hole when you put a pin on it. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So I'm gonna zoom in. So I put that in, and then I cut it out, and you would see little tiny holes to Timmy. So I'll try that again. I don't think the camera is not really picking it up in terms of focus, but that's one thing, it makes holes, so I don't really like that. I don't really like that. And for instance, and another thing about this head is it only measures for people who are 21 inches in circumference. So if you have a bigger head, you cannot really be able to use Timmy. You have to use other things. Another thing also is the fact that it also comes with a seat clamp. Honestly, I don't know how the seat clamp is used on this. It just looks too complicated for me. I'm not very good with putting things together. So I brought the clamp. It's this thing right here. Honestly, I don't even know how to use it. I don't know how to put these things together. I probably will have to watch it somewhere on how to put these things together. It comes with this. It comes with that. Oh, I think I might actually have an idea. You just twist it like this. Oh, I think I did it wrong. I think you just put the ball in. You put the ball in. You put the ball in. And you put this on top, I believe. That's how you do it. And then you turn it. Oh, it's not as difficult as I thought it would be. Actually, I thought it would be more difficult. And then you can always unscrew it here from the bottom to hang it onto your table. And you can always put Timmy on top of it. I'm just gonna put my wig on Timmy so you guys can see how realistic Timmy looks. So this is how I would put my hair on Timmy, on the mannequin head. And just style it. And that's it. So guys, do not forget to subscribe, take care, like, and share with your friends. Bye-bye!